I blew it all on her. I get it right back. She blew it all on her. I get it right back. She blew it all on her.
In Jamaica, relax.
If you know work with dreams, you don't know the answers.
Welcome to Dream Weekend.
Okay, so it is 5:37. I already took a shower. I'm really trying to put on about the same top because it's very easy to take off. The thing is, I'm wondering if I should put on the top that I'm going to wear because it's not easy to go on, and yeah, it's not very easy to go on, especially with makeup. So I don't know. I think I'll just figure it out afterwards. My hair isn't done, but for some reason I just feel like I want to do my face first. I wanted to put curls in my hair, but I don't know. All of a sudden, I just feel very out of it. I don't know why. I'm just not really feeling it right now. I don't know. I've been contemplating, like, do I want to go on live? Do I want to? You know, because I always go on live when I'm doing my little get ready with me's, and I'm just not feeling anything. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe it's the uncertainty. You know, I don't like not being in the know. I don't think I very much like surprises, if I really think about it. But for some reason, I'm just having major anxiety right now. Really know why. I just need to do what I always do, and I'll be fine. This is what I was looking for all this time. I think I'm gonna go on live. I think this is going to be very choppy, or I'll probably just do a time lapse for the makeup and talk while I'm on live, because I really want to listen to some music and get in the mood. Moisturizer, which is basically finished, and I need to buy a new one. Not like last me a good little while, so I can't complain. Bro, this is something I also have to touch on. Why Cartel did after free on my birthday? Like, there were so many other days in the year, and it had to be on my day. Like, Cartel couldn't just give me the day. Cartel couldn't just say, here girl, take the day, enjoy. He's so narcissistic. Yes, for the rest of the year, then no. This is going to be like probably some monumental date to say, oh my god, this is the day when they've released Cartel, and not my freaking birthday. If I'm going out, so I'm gonna say, no, me have to come closer because I can't see. I'm looking kind of blind. Don't even know what type of makeup look I'm going for either. Now I'll use a very light concealer. This is actually a lace foundation palette. We're gonna use this shade. I'm gonna put it on like the end of the brow. Okay. Girl, you know what I'm wearing? Alright. Okay. Now this is gonna go on the in here, so time is going. Okay, damn right. Alright, we're gonna take this shade. Gonna do a little so this is the face, guys. I'm going to hurry up and put on my clothes. I am feeling a lot of anxiety right now because it's 6:55. My shoes, they have me on. We're gonna figure it out. Do we like it? I love it. This is so cute. I was going to curl my hair, but I decided to just keep it straight, to be honest, because I feel like a lot is going on here already, especially with this being a turtleneck. So I just want that sleek, straight back look. I hope my shoes go with this because I haven't tried it and it's at home. So my little wear. My God, it's so cute.
full of girl, so much girl for you, girl for me, girl, million city, I've but down your body, down your body, God, yeah.
Guys, I don't know if you can see me. Yes, you can see I have a blindfold. I don't know where I'm going. I don't like not being able to see. But if I want to go road, and yeah.
Yeah, very calm, but it looks great. No? There you go.
So what to do?
What? Now come on, do
I feel like my makeup a mess up. I'm scared. Cause I
Stealing in the sky.
I'm scared.
What?
I can't.
Just follow me. Just follow me.
I don't trust you.
Just follow me now.
This is a hill or a flat?
It's not a hill. I'm a little curve on it.
Remember me in a hills.
Watch your step.
What do you mean watch my step?
Up now. Up. And foot up.
Oh! You see me on the cup? More stairs?
Mm-hmm.
How many?
That's all right, man.
More?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. Okay.
There you go. Yeah?
You leaving me?
No, I'm not leaving.
Is my camera recording? I don't know where I am, so maybe you guys can look. I don't know. Right now that heels don't even feel too secure about my foot. Okay, look at miserable, but it is what it is. I want to take this off so bad, but I'm not trying to be indisciplined. I'm just trying to chill.
Let's say that's one fast smile. I love bits up on the yourself.
Wherever the camera is.
Yeah, worry about makeup.
Yes.
No.
I took a long time.
Hey. It not go fuck up. I don't prepare say the blindfold fuck up your makeup. We have the makeup
You
lady.
didn't do that.
We have the makeup lady on standby. Of course I did. I have everything planned down to the T. What you worry about?
Alright.
Makeup lady there to fix up everything with you, alright? Mm-hmm. It tight by your face?
Not really. What the fuck is this?
Dinner at the blood clot sky girl.
Can I have my phone? You have it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, come, let's go.
I'm scared. Where am I going? Am I going down any steps? Where am I going? Oh! Jason. Remember me in heels.
Yeah, man.
Where?
One step up. Come. One step up.
You have to tell me right or left.
No, up. Straight there, man.
Okay.
One more step. One more again. Yeah, come.
Oh! What is?
Sorry.
Oh my god, you're the worst at leading. I'll be a lick up the head. Lick up. Oh, Jason, Jesus Christ.
One more step now. Come now. Come step with
I'm not trusting no more.
Watch. One more step now. Alright, see that.
Any more?
Alright, I gotta take one big step now.
What do you mean?
Alright, step down. Step down. Step again. Step up now.
I can't see.
Point to the birthday person. Point to the birthday person. Point to the birthday person. Put some lights on the birthday person. Lights on the birthday person. Lights on the birthday person. Let her work. Make group. Let her work. Make group. Let her work. Make group. Let her work. Somebody say go best friend. Say go best friend.
One time for the birthday kid, 2 times for the
ZV-E10.
Oh my god. Baby, think we're gonna really make it celebrate. That's right, we know exactly. Sorry. Yeah. Oh my god, it was so
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is unpolite. Tell me in the humble cup. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Only hope you slept right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories.
You ready? One. Oh, wait. Dos. Tres. Woo!
Go on.
Taste test.
Taste test. What's there?
A basic impression, Leo.
Yeah.
You look like it. It's giving. It's giving. Yeah. Get a 1 to 10. I rate it a 10 out of 10.
So I'm back. Before I even debrief all of that, honestly, I might just debrief it tomorrow. But I got some gifts. This gift I got from Pandora, and I believe this is from Carrie. So I'm gonna open it up, see what it is. Oh, I wanna cry. Happy birthday, Seashell. By the time you've read this, you would have already been brought to tears. LOL. You're like a sister to me. They don't make people like you anymore. I love you. Cheers to many more birthdays together. This is from Carrie. I already shedding tears today. Like, I don't want to shed any more tears. So this is what it is. I got a Pandora charm. This charm says, friends are the family you choose. I'm sorry, I'm very teary-eyed today. Can I open it? See? Friends are the family you choose. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Gary Bookie. I really appreciate it. So that's one. Then I got this gift at, I believe this is from Shaquille. Fancy box. Oh, goodness! I really like this perfume. One of my friends had it, and I love how it smells. So I'm actually happy that I got this. It's the Coach Dreams. Ooh. Heavenly. I love it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. My last gift that I actually already opened at my party is another one from Pandora. This is from my man, who put on this entire thing for me that I'm so happy about. See it? Oh god. That's right. Wait. Ta-da! It's a necklace. Like, it is so cute. I wish you guys could see the details, like how I'm seeing the details, but my camera just refuses to focus properly. It has a little crescent moon thing going on for it. Hold on. See? So it says, and on the back, it says love you to the moon and back. This might be my new everyday necklace because you guys know that I'm a silver girl and he knows that I'm a silver girl. I'm gonna put this on right now too. I'm going to put it on the shorter loop, but yeah. And those are all my gifts. I'm very happy. I'm very content. I'm just... Oh, it's a jewelry box. Oh, it's a jewelry box. I didn't know I had... I love this. Now I can actually have somewhere to put my jewelry because I never have anywhere to put my freaking jewelry. Love this. And it comes with a mirror. I love that. I didn't even realize. I am just so content. I feel so loved. I'm feeling a lot of feelings. I'm feeling a lot of feelings right now. And I couldn't have asked for a better birthday. This was a very chill day for me and I'm happy with how it turned out. Oh, and don't forget my rose bear that I got earlier from Danica. So yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I think I will talk about the details of what happened today tomorrow because I'm extremely tired. The makeup held up. The makeup held up, which I love. I didn't put on so much blush earlier. I had to ask one of my friends when I got there to give me some blush because when I got there, I immediately started getting teary-eyed, and you know, yes, I did wet, so I kind of pat it, and then some of the makeup came off, so I'm like, oh my god, I need some blush. And then the blush was just too pigmented, and this is the result of that. So yeah, but it's okay, it's okay. Everything else is still standing. I'm a little bit oily, but that's okay, that's okay. I'm so grateful. Oh my god, I will talk to you guys tomorrow because I'm just tired and I want to go to sleep. I'm so happy whenever I go on the road because I was contemplating going on the road, but I'm just way too freaking tired for that. That's how you know I'm getting old. But big up me, 26 y'all, 26. I'm getting there, but I'm not there yet, so not too much, not too much. Have a good night. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. You say you love me. No, I love you more. It is, I guess, 2 days after my birthday now. As you can see, my hair is now in a side part. I got it curled a little bit. So today is August the 2nd, right? Yes, today is August the 2nd. It is the start of Dream Weekend. I haven't packed it and we're supposed to leave out soon, so I can't bring a suitcase. That the car is going to be too full. I don't have, you know, every single outfit that I would want or whatever, but honestly, I don't even care. It's not that deep to me anymore. I don't care. Like, it's whatever. I want to go just because. Why not? Why not? I might not go to every single party. I'm not going to every single party. I know 2 that I am sure of. Outside of that, I don't have no plans. The Airbnb we're gonna be staying at has a pool, so I'm good. Staying in Mobe, saying no, we're not reach Mobe till like 10-11 o'clock. I don't know why we're leaving so late, but you know, I don't ask no questions. I'm not the one who's driving. I'm just a girl. I will talk to you guys either when we're on the way down there or when we get there. I was gonna set it up a while ago to show you guys what I'm packing, but I don't feel like it. I'm going to try and get as much content as I can. The vlog, the prep vlog isn't even up. Hoping I can get it up by Sunday. Ciao. I'll talk back to you guys. Plus this needs to charge and it is at 15%. And I don't know where the other batteries are. You see, my life is... We're not going to jail again. Oh no. We're never gonna be Good morning. It is the next day. We got here around 1 a.m. Yeah, and I was tired. I was exhausted, so I went to sleep. I think I ended up falling asleep maybe after 2 or 3, you know, after scoping out the scenery. This is a really nice place. Well, everybody else is still sleeping. I took the room that's downstairs. This is the only room that's downstairs. I already unpacked our stuff, but let me show you what it looks like when you walk in. Ta-da! I tried to re-spread the bed. I tried to re-spread the bed, at least make it look presentable when I showed you this. There's a chair. Here's Care Bear's shoes. And then here's all of our stuff. So my shoes them. And there's a closet. And then you come out here. This is the kitchen. Yeah. Dining area. And you have a wild animal. You know the wild. Oh, look. Oh, I was like, who is that? Why am I just as foot? We have the little that porch, the beachfront. We're in Jamaica. Relax. And that's it for now. Basically after 10, I don't know what time the party starts, but still, because I like to get things out of the way from early. Talk to you guys in a few. So I'm on breakfast duty. I told them to go and buy food, but nobody wants to buy it.
So there are 3 of us down here and 3 again. So me, I will use them. Found this. So just make it. And anybody who wants it, Now we pan them. I'm not hungry. Sorry. Yeah. Stop.
You know how to do it?
Okay. Let's sing good. Okay, let's sing good. Stop. Oh, Kira. Watashi masta.
I can't do it.
Sit.
I'm not nervous at all.
Yeah.
If I need my hair to straighten, I'm going to the hairdresser.
Really?
Sure.
That vocalist. Yeah? That vocalist.
I don't know.
That is very vocalist.
Alright, like I tried, Shelby, honestly. I have a flat iron and I tried, but it just it takes
Tyrion.
too long.
You have to come down.
It takes too long.
Yes, you can.
Got no fear. Give me no fear. Okay guys, so this is the finished product.
Period.
Shelby bust me, right? Let's clock it. Amen.
Sunscreen, so we can be safe.
Put it on your chest too.
Well, me have too much to say. Tea.
Okay. Oh my god, Shelby really did her big one on my hair. You're just a booker.
Book me now. Alright, not too bad,
Oh my god.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
The curls are curling, girl.
I just need to do my edge.
I'm a crack my hair now until we get my hair.
AndImShelby have entered
The Villa.
Are you done? Are you done? The hair drop, but wow. Yeah. We're late, but we're reached.
We are here.
Actually, we're not even late. We're not. So, hey, Simone. Yeah. Okay, guys, so
Not the unboxing.
we just got our bands. Bands will make her dance. Ooh. And we got our back. Axe. We get axe, reversible axe.
Whoa, them
So, you know, dream weekend. Yeah. Dreamy. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Mine different though. I guess everyone gets like a different one. Like under the same
umbrella.
Oh.
But yours
This
is
one.
cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is so
is
cute.
Eat.
Me grudge you.
Where?
Oh my god, that's so cute. No. Gordon, you don't need this. Do you really need this though?
Give it to the Rasta.
Them give it to the Ras. I'm
You know
telling
the
Bobo.
ocean spray one?
Something else.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Then they allow me in a party scissors.
I don't think they will.
No, but it's from their
What's that,
package.
Band-Aid?
Yeah.
I don't think they expect us to bring it in the party still.
This is tape. So what's
Tape?
the point of getting it?
I mean, you just get it to get it. You get with a season plan, not to bring
It's
it
a
in the
dream
party.
weekend survival kit. So
Well,
dream weekend.
well, that's how when you left Dream Weekend. So, you think me work with Dream? I don't know the answers.
That's so
I
random.
don't have the answers to these questions.
Why would you put a first aid kit in a goodie bag? Unless you're going to need it.
It's very sharp.
It's sharp.
And then booty cheese! Booty bag!
Ciao. Oh, this.
Oh my, it's so clean.
Yeah.
All on a spot. None of the new song them up here. Probably dream pop body. It's alright. I'll be a professionals are here. You know what I mean? Remember later on is Yosh.
On and on and on.
Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get away. Say what they want to say.
Let me sing it though. Homosexuals.
We're back to fly.
Hey, run here. Don't sing it. Help me out. Everybody, start jumping like. When it comes to 3 weekends.
I don't care.
Put up the light and the ear. No. Run that song. Come here, all right, let's see if you talk about this song. Are you ready?
My crew, my dogs, set rules, set
Dear Dreams White Sons, how are you to welcome to the stage? Armani! Good spirit, wicked. Check your baby. I'm Mr. Bruce for me. I'm Mr. The Ball here for me. Oh, me a break for me. I'm Mr. What it up pass. Pace for me. So baby, tell me how you feel. So baby, tell me how you feel. When my life when I get done, I love it when you ask that you go hard, but pretty mommy look away. I miss you, baby, me loving it. Oh yes, sir. We just see again. We just see again.
Okay, so party 1 is complete. This is the aftermath of us getting ready, and oh my god, almost 12 a.m. Tire burst, all type of something. I ended up having to stop on tire shop. I ended up falling asleep. I just want to get the full experience, you know. This is not a dream weekend party, by the way. This is a best weekend ever event. So we're going to milk and honey now. Modest life. Whoa. Carrie is in the shower. It's not green. God is good. And my makeup, like, look at my makeup. I'm an oily girl, but let me see if I can turn off the filter. So this is my face without the makeup, without the filter, and I think it looks pretty good for a makeup that was done around, been on for almost 12 hours. So basically it's been on for 10 to 11 hours. This not look bad. Didn't even use my regular setting spray. Honestly, I do not like the All Nicer, the Urban Decay setting spray. I hate it. I don't like it. I don't think it does anything. I really love my Charlotte Tilbury and my One Size. So I am going to re-up on those because this is not it. If I used those, my face would not be this oily. But I'm not mad because it still did something, you know. So I'm going to touch it up. I'm waiting for Carrie to finish bathing. I think my outfit is super cute. Honestly, I can't bother get up. I was going to get up and show you guys, but I just can't bother. I'm actually going to wear my hair in an updo for this outfit because I just feel like it would look better in an updo. I hope it's nice because, you know me, I love sleep. I love going to sleep, and yeah, I just love go sleep. So we'll just see how this goes.
Okay.
So this is what the fit looks like. It's actually a pink and white themed event, but of course I wasn't really 100% prepared for that, and I bought this top from last year and I haven't worn it, and I have this skirt. I wish I showed you guys how I finished this skirt. This is actually a very long skirt, and I just rolled it up because it looks better short with this top. So yeah, my black heels, but at the moment I have on these because I can't bother. I can't bother. So this is it. Loki don't want to go anywhere anymore, but I'm sucking it up. I'm sucking it up. This is how the face turned out. Big up Huda Beauty and Laura Mercy. Yay! You're kind of look dry, but I don't care. I just don't care.
Uptown drop the American Express on the CD player stop. She like the way I move. She like the way I rock. She like the way I move.
Anyways, this is what the face is looking like after over 12 hours. I've had it on from 2 p.m. It is now, what time now? After 5? 5:43 a.m. This is what the face is looking like. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. I'm tired, I'm bed.
The bombshells have entered the villa. Woo! Is there beach? Where is it? Alright. Yeah. Alright, maybe I can have some fun. Okay.
Bedtime. I'm so tired, and it's early. It's probably after 10 now, maybe 11. And the reason why I'm not vlogging with my camera right now is because it's in the car and I honestly cannot be bothered to go for it. So yeah, Zimmer was actually good. It was actually good. And seeing that I actually really wanted to go Wet and Wild, but the unanimous vote was Zimmy. I think we got there at a good time, and that's why it was so good. I feel like if we got there earlier, I would have been irritated because the sun, even the time that we got there, it was so hot. So I can just imagine with the sun, and I'm so happy that I only did concealer and blush because I was so mad to just wipe off this, and I only put concealer right here, literally right here, and some blush, and I put the Huda Beauty on top of it, and that was it. And I felt like I wanted to wash it off, bro. I'm so happy that's all I did. But it was a time was hard. So I'm not mad. I would have loved to go to Wet n Wild because I know Wet n Wild was amazing last year. But I didn't drive. I have to work with the people then. So whatever. Yeah, honestly, I don't even know if I'll go to another dream weekend. To be honest, probably I'll go like to a one party maybe. Negril is just so far. It's just so far, and even though we're staying in Mobile, the drive to go to Negril is just so and yeah, it's kind of chaotic. But anyways, I don't know if I'm going to sleep now or if I just want a nap. I don't know, but I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Give me my body back. Hey, get that song. Load them song there, load there. Ready? I'll play that song there in a party. Ready, we're ready. Chill out, one up alone, I'm going to stop my sleep.
Even the man is stretching, you know?
Biggest, lucky and flaky. Yo, with our kind of boy, They were our father, Sheila. We are in a whopping 260 pounds. He's built like a whale. He looks like a tank, but he's a machine. He's a machine. You got to feed me. Come in, Biggs. Ready? Come in, Biggs. Alright, so
Open yourself.
What are in it? Don't mess up. Anyone will get tired. Yeah, anyone will get tired. Alright, watch it. Watch this. Everybody ready? We now witness the race. No, don't buckle no head on that side. Alright. On your mark. No, me. Yeah, ready. Ready? Race is good? Yeah. Let me see your hands up. Hands up, guys. Yeah, hands up, BT. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Tomatoes.
You have forgot the big man show. No, work with that. On your mark. Get set. Go. And Baba is off. Biggs is sinking.
John or Biggs?
We give it.
All right.
We give it. Give me my money back. Come on, arrest me. Four. Arrest me. Win the race some more. We know how to do. Give me. Them dry clip will represent Jamaica. Turn it up. I'm the hustler over there. I'm the real hustler. Turn it. Come. Read him up, 4th generation. Oh yeah, yo, them are come out to me call. We make phone call. Yeah. So, yo, we are one out, you know so. You can't stop trying to keep fights from knocking on your foot, man. Right from the fire, build for the 17, build for that. When I'm on some shot. Can't turn there. Boom. Charlie, I'm looking at party. You fuck with us and then we tweak it out.
Each chef is in them. Yeah, well, I reason, but he can cook.
Oh, big up, Kenny. Good morning. Again, my camera is still in the car. So I'm using my phone. It's the last day here in Mobile. Last night was Celebrity Playground and we got in 6:30 a.m. It is now after 11. Call it like 11:30 or so. Even cleaning ladies here, like packing up and everything. So I'm just going to brush my teeth or stuff because I late check out. And I am going to just pack my stuff up. I'm going to take that one dip in the pool before we leave because I just like that pool and I just need some solitude, you know. So I'm going to brush my teeth and do that and then head out there. I'm so tired, but I'm also glad that I took a nap yesterday before we went to Celebrity Playground because I would be up right now. So
Better me pussy. No. In the cut with my twin, we vibing. Fast is flying, I'll be outside with it. Whoa! You rich? You good, bro? You good? What percentage? It's not deep. It's the same all around. Sunny, a little Einstein, climb aboard, ready to explore. Little Einstein. So where you follow before? Make the better place for you and for me and the entire human.